actually, para sa inyo yun.
It doesn't mean naman, it doesn't follow na kailangan may penetration.
Yeah, you just check it.
Just check it.
Nahihimap is tama. Kasi sometimes hindi ganun.
I don't have. Maro lang, Maro.
Or pangit pag ganun. So, dapat ang TV.
Or you have to check the
Tawagan.
penile size, baka hindi kayo match.
Oo, tapos maghihiwalay kayo, mag-aaway kayo, magsisinap kayo. Sabi mo sa kanya, hindi mo maligay.
Ish.
Sabi mo, nakita, bekbek mo, maluwag.
You just have to check the merchandise. Kasi baka yung sa kanya, 110 lang. Eh, sa'yo, 220. Eh, di pag kanya yan, uusok yan.
Kailangan niya man ng transformer. Ang bigat ng friend. When's the last time you checked each other's merchandise?
Did you check the merchandise?
Nakita na kasi yung loose.
Oh, no, you told me
But how can you not use that word? Because it's so fucking gross. I mean, we use things for words and say, but ito yung loose or it's so... Were you like able to check the design? No, I know, but you listen to me. Someone. Like, have you seen this parang cock? Ganon? Parang social. Have you seen this parang cock? Have you seen this yung parang burak? Ganon?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Katagal ko na nakikita yun.
So, how do you guys, have a little sexy time? It's about speechless. When it's inside your mouth, you can hardly talk. You're like that.
Yeah, it's very ethical, no?
To talk when your mouth has dick. So,
At saka we are all matured naman na eh. Di ba? We are all matured enough to understand
these are just one of the things that we're gonna talk about that all of us are gonna have good time.
Tama. Saka, siguro naman, hindi ka naman na conservative na, are you super conservative?
Maya Clara ka dahil.
No.